This video will talk you through how to add a rubric to your assignment. Now, in my assignment, I have written the criterion B, and what my assignment is. I'm going to go and add the unit and the other identifier later. In the assignment, I've written the instructions. This is a final draft of a paragraph. And I've also written the task-specific indicators. Because the rubric that I'll add is all in the IB language, I also want to make sure that students understand that. So this is criterion B. I'm going to focus on organizational structures and logic, and I've spelled out for the students what they need to do in their paragraph to master or show mastery of those things. So in my assignment, I'm going down to the bottom and clicking plus rubric. You'll see that it adds some rubric here as the title, and I'm going to change that to criterion B. I will add for right now just a placeholder for the unit and where it will fall in my unit. And then I'm going to add the assignment, which is identity paragraph. I will go down here to find outcome. Because this is a language and literature course, I have one folder for language and literature. Because it's the beginning of 7th grade, I'm going to use my year 1 criteria. Remember, year 1 is technically 6th grade, year 3 is 8th grade, and year 5 is 9th grade. So choose the appropriate year, and I know I'm using criterion B. So I can choose to use one or more of these strands of the criteria. So I am going to use all three because this is a summative. So I'll click on the strand, and then I will scroll down to import at the bottom. And you'll see now I've pulled in that criteria. I'm going to add both of these other outcomes as well. Find outcome. And I need to add all three of these separately, but it brings me right back. I want to make sure that I get rid of this top blank one. So I have criterion B1, B2, and B3. Now this looks a little different than what we've had before, where we've had ranges of 7 and 8, 5 and 6, 3 and 4, and 1 and 2. And we'll talk through in another video why that is looking a little different here. The last thing I want to do is hide score total for assessment results, because I don't want all three of these to add up. I just want them to be at 8 each, and I will hit create rubric. And there is my rubric that I can use as I grade.